Okay guys, you have to check out the sink that I just got. We had been using a big old water table for water play, sensory play for the daycare kids. That wasn't quite enough. Always up to the sink, always messes on the floor, always worrying about slipping off the stool. This is perfect. The little pump runs, you turn it on, real water in the bucket with all the little toys to play with. 2 trains, 2 plugs. Water is nice temperature, no chemicals, easy on and off. Game changer.